Level up your Google Lens skills. Pro tips you need to know. Google Lens is packed with powerful features for everyday tasks. Here are some useful tips and tricks. Learn how to fix something that's hard to describe. Use Lens to take a photo and add to your search by typing "how to fix." Image a broken rusty bike part with Google Lens framing around it. Image a broken rusty bike part with Google Lens framing around it. Want to try a new dish? Search with Lens to learn how to make it. Use your camera or a screenshot to search a dish you're unfamiliar with and add recipe to your search. Find an item in another color. Use Lens to search that bag with your camera and add text like blue to find it in another color. Identify plants and animals with your camera. Use Lens to find the name of that vibrant flower or to learn the breed of the dog you saw in the park. Learn how to care for a new plant. Use Lens to take a photo of your new plant and add care to find tips to help it thrive. Use your camera or a screenshot to shop what you see. Use Lens on a uniquely shaped item and find similar results based on color, pattern, price, and more. Search with a screenshot. See a couch you love while browsing your feed. Take a screenshot and use Lens to identify the couch and find similar items online. Get translations in real time. Use Lens to translate signs, menus, handwritten notes, transit maps, and more across 100 different languages. Learn more about artwork with your camera or an image. Use Lens on a piece of art to find out more information, including the artist. Copy and paste with your camera. Use Lens to quickly copy text from signs, notes, and more using your camera. Get step-by-step homework help. Use Lens to get explainers, videos, and web results for math, history, chemistry, biology, physics, and more. Thank you for your watching video and hope this can helping you. And stay tuned for the next episode.